Folks, look at SharperTrades. The S&P 500 hit the target at 555. Today broke above it, so we are getting to all-time high 556.25. Trade the EMA, that's the current support, and then below that 540. Next target 563 and 570. Intel consolidated for about 3 months. Spotted our pull activity on Friday, and today made the breakout move. We initiated the swing on this breakout. Pullback was somewhere around 33.50. Is at the resistance 34.10 is low. Our first target is up here, 35.73. Above that, 37.40 and 39.20. Support 32.80 and the EMA 31.80. PLTR, good volume, good technicals. It's attempting a breakout of this high, 27.50. 27.50 is an important level. Let's look at the monthly chart here. So we got 27.50 here, 27.50 here, and then 27.47. So there's multiple levels of 27.50. It's above it. So if it remains above it, there's a potential to extend to 29. It's another resistance, this eye right there. So back on the daily chart. This is a resistance 28. Technicals are bullish. I'm looking for a break through 28 holding with the next target 30, 32, and 34. I've been looking at the call option from the dark option flow a lot today. I posted also on X dark option flow channel. So check it out. Support 20, the EMA, because this is volatile, could easily pull back. EMA and 26. Rivian, I like this current formation. Stayed above the EMA. It needs to break through the 200 SMA and take out the Wednesday high at the 1635. Target 1750, 19, 2060, and 2250. Support also the TSEM. Semiconductor attempting a breakout. This high at 4060. I like the technicals. The OBV is pointing up. Volume is bullish. 42, 44, 45, and 47. Support is 40 and 39. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000, available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section, and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1 or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.